Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to disable autoplay on X. So open X application on your device and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Then let's go to settings over here, and here you can see different sections. Specifically you want to find accessibility, display and languages, and now go to data usage, and finally from here find option that's called video autoplay, and eventually set never option. And this way you will disable autoplay in your X application. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.